Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. We have been home with our parents this weekend, so there was only little time to make a video. Therefore, the biggest part of this video is going to be just music. I just want to introduce you what I did for this project. This piece is a commission and is 50 by 50 centimeters. The colors that are requested were a bit different than my regular color palette, which is a chocolate brown, a beige and a gold. Besides this, of course, a bit white to give it contrast. The mixture that I'm using is the same as I usually have, so if you're new to my channel and have not seen my color mixture yet and are curious, just have a look at all my other videos and you will pretty much be able to find it. Besides all of that, the colors that I'm using here are from Arteza, so it basically is their brown, it is their gold, their white, and I mixed the brown and the white to get the beige tone. And I used my acrylic binder that I usually use to mix my colors with. Besides this, I again used my 3-cup tool. As you can see in a second when I start pouring, I made a base layer of beige color. Actually, it's the rest amount of the mixed colors that I had in my cups, which I didn't use for the pour itself. So I put it on the canvas, used the palette knife to stretch it around, and then I just started pouring. So for now, enjoy the rest of the video, and if this is the first video that you've seen of mine, make sure to have a look at all my other videos, my playlists. Leave me a like if you like the videos and subscribe if you have not done so far. In the end of the video, as usual, you will see the final result. It is not varnished at this point, but the sun was shining at this point, and as it always looks better when the sunshine directly hits it and the gold lightens up, I wanted to show you just before the varnishing. So I hope you like it and leave me in the comments what you think about it. I wish you a great start for the week, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.